If you still don't know how to trade the news as a forex trader, this video is for you. Make sure to watch to the very end. Okay, now trading the news can help you make a lot of profit, a lot of money in the market. In other words, it can also help you lose a lot of money in the market if you don't know how to trade it. So this video, I'm going to be strategically explaining to you how to trade this particular news happening in different currencies. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, now if you watch closely, this is 16th July 2025, which is Wednesday. So this is the time in which these different economic events happen. These are the currencies in which they have an impact on. Now this impact you are seeing, these colors you are seeing here, this is basically one of the things forex traders pay attention to. Now the one that are showing yellow, they are called low impact news. Okay, they literally don't have that impact in the market, meaning they literally don't move the market like that. The one that are showing darker yellow, they are called medium impact. They move the market, but not with aggressive, aggressive movement, not with aggression, right? Now the red ones you are seeing here, these are high impact news. These are the ones that traders put more attention to when they open their charts. Okay, they pay more attention to these ones because these ones are called high impact news. They literally have this high volatility in the market. They literally move the market aggressively. Okay, now these are different economic events that happen at a particular given time. Now if you watch closely, this one is previous, focus, actual. Now the previous is the percentage of these different economic events that happened in the past. This is actual. The focus is the one traders anticipating for, okay, at a particular given time. That's the focus. It have not happened, but this is what the market anticipate, okay, for it to happen. All right, now the actual is the one that was released at spots. Okay, the actual, that the final, we call this the final result, that was released. Now this focus for actual, traders anticipate this as focus, right? Now the actual now finally got released. If this actual, okay, do not match up with the focus, that means it will be negative for the market. Okay, it will be negative, like literally negative, because traders anticipate for this in most of the time. Now let's go to the details, because this is where you read how it happened. I'm going to be using USD because that's the one we have the recent high impact news on. Okay, by 1:30 p.m. USD. Now we open the details for the USD news. Okay, when you open the details, now if you watch closely, this is where you need to put more attention to as well. This usual effect, it says actual greater than focus is good for currency. It means if this actual you are seeing here, when it got released, and if it is greater than the traders anticipation, okay, the market anticipation, that means it's going to be good for this currency you are seeing here. If it is GBP or USD, it means USD acting as the base will be bullish. Yes, that's what it means. Now this frequency is just released monthly every 13 days after the month ends. These ones you are seeing are the history, different what happened in the previous month. Now let's check. Since the previous you are seeing here on USD is 0.4, the focus for traders, the anticipation is 0.2. It means traders are anticipating less. Okay, they anticipate less than the previous is 0.4, 0.2 is the focus. Okay, so the actual shouldn't go lesser than this. The actual should be more, according to what you are seeing here. Actual greater than focus will be good for currency. So actual need to be greater. This actual you are seeing here need to be greater than forecast. Okay, for this particular USD to be good, to be bullish. Okay, now what happened? The actual finally got released, and the digit you are seeing here is 0.0%, which means it's still lesser than forecast. Okay, since it's lesser than forecast, it means it is negative. It is bad for the currency. Now this is where the magic happened. Now when you come to the charts, to the trading view, okay, example GBP USD. GBP here is acting as the base currency, while USD is acting as a quote currency. So since GBP is acting as the base currency, then GBP will be bullish because the news came negative on USD pairing with GBP. So that's why GBP here was bullish at that time. You can see GBP bought aggressively to the upside. Now let's go to USD JPY. Because the news came out negative on USD currency, it means that any market that the USD is acting as the base currency will sell aggressively. So you go there and and place a sell as going to sell. Look at what happened. This is USD/JPY acting as the base, and that's exactly what happened. The market sold aggressively to the downside, then push up again. So this is actually how to analyze the market fundamentally, okay, using Forex Factory website. It's not hard, just for you to understand this simple concept to help you to know which pair the news is affecting and how to trade them or how to avoid them. As simple as that. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget, like, share and follow for more. Click the link on my bio to join my copy trading group. I'm going to see you on the inside. Peace.